adjust the temperature of your Aquataps boiler, press the Set button in short bursts until you reach the desired temperature. The boiler allows you to set a minimum of 45 degrees Celsius and a maximum of 98 degrees Celsius. Your boiler also uses a thermostat to keep the water hot. You can control how much the temperature drops before it reheats by choosing a range of 3, 5, 7 or 9 degrees. Setting it to 3 means the boiler reheats more frequently, keeping water hotter. Setting it to 9 means it reheats less often, saving energy. To change this, hold your finger on the Set button until a number 3, 5, 7 or 9 appears. Then release and press again in short bursts to cycle through the options. When your preferred number is shown, just stop pressing. The setting will save automatically.